Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dita Putri Marlina. Today I want to present material about implementation of screenplay and audio follow effect making Simulink 3D animation film. Abstract. This research is aimed as an effort to revive and to introduce a folktale Simulink from the province of Riau through media of animation by implementing screenplay and audio follow effect. Screenplay is a story told with image in dialogue and description and placed in the context of a dramatic structure which describes the sequence of scenes, place, dialogue, and circumstance. Foley is a type of sound that is created to fill the nose of players in a film in actual time or real time. Animation technology itself has spread to the creation of regional stories or folk tales, which were originally only told orally in writing. Folklore is a story that is basically conveyed by one person to another through oral narrative. Almost every region in Indonesia has its own folklore. One of the folk tales from Riau province is the folklore of Simolek. In this research, a 3D animated film of the folk tale of Simolek was made using the screenplay technique and the follow effect technique. Screenplay technique was used as a reference or guide in the process of making Simulink 3D animation. Meanwhile, the follow effect technique was used because without the follow effect, a film will feel less realistic and natural. The screenplay and follow effect techniques have been declared appropriate by experts and based on the result of questionnaires given to 30 respondents. 80% state that the storyline of the 3D animated film Simulink was easy to understand, and 84% said that the sound in the 3D animated film Simulink seemed realistic. As much as 87% of the 30 respondents stated that the 3D animation film Simulink was in accordance with the 3D animated film, and 90% state that they have related the folklore from Riau Simulink. Preliminary. The use of spoken language to translate a series of scenes in an animated film is a difficult thing to do. Reference of guidelines in the process of making animated film are very important to produce a directed film. One alternative in dealing with these difficulties is to use a written reference college. In general, in the world of film, story script or screenplays are the reference for directors and players in making film. Screenplay is a story told with picture in dialogue and description and placed in the context of a dramatic structure which describes the sequence of scenes, plays, scenes, dialogues, and circumstance. Foley effect is the most responsible and realistic sound effect to give stress in film. Found original by Jack Foley early in the history of sound film working at Universal Studios. Foley is a type of sound that is created to fill in the nose of players in movie in real time or real. In 3D animated film, a film requires a Foley effect to make it look more alive and natural. Without the Foley effect, a film will feel less realistic and natural. The screenplay technique is used as a reference of or guideline in the process of making Simulec 3D animate. With the 3D animate film Simulec, which applies the screenplay technique, it is hoped that it will produce a good 3D animate film and also as a means of introducing this folklore to the public. In a three-dimensional animated film, a film also requires a Foley effect. The purpose of applying this audio Foley effect is to make the resulting three-dimensional animated film look more realistic and natural. Animation technology has spread to the creation of regional stories or folk tales, which were initially only told orally or written. Folklore is a story that is basically conveyed by one person to another through oral narrative or big Indonesian dictionary. Folklore, if inherited or instilled in students from an early age, will provide motor and psychomotor development, especially in building the character of students from an early age who have superior personalities. The planting of ethics intended to shape a person's character that leads to positive things. Almost every region in Indonesia has folklore. One of the folklore from Riau province is the folklore Simolek. The story of Simolek can only be found through print media such as picture book or taught only. Making 3D animated film Simolek. The making of animation includes making 3D models, texturing, giving movement on objects, rendering, compositing scenes that have been rendered, and editing. After the animated film was finished, it was continued by testing the divided testing of expert validation and testing of feedback. The last of this study was the making of report containing the overall research that had been made from the beginning to the end. 3D animated film making Simolek. Making 3D animated film is carrying out from the prevalent stage, including concept, points, and design. What is done in this stage is to make concept, stories, and scenarios, create characters, color code, background design, storyboard, which is in this stage designing story ideas, screenplay, or which will be a guideline, and after making screenplay, concept art, and storyboard, the continue to the next stage, namely the production stage, which includes modeling, animating, rendering, and compositing. The modeling process is the process of making the property that has been drawn on concept art into a 3D model for the 3D molecular animated film. After the 3D character model is made, followed by an animating process, which is the process of giving movement on the 3D character model so that the 3D model looks moving and like life, but before it must be given the first, or call it the rigging process, so that the 3D model can be moved. After being given a bone, the 3D character can be moved or given an animation. This animation process is made by keyframe look. After the 3D model is given a movement and the background of the place as stated on the storyboard, then the entire rendering process. Render result will be arranged in order. This process is called the compositing process, so that it becomes a complete 3D animated film. Test result analysis. Analysis of testing tests that have been carried out for this study is testing the validation of expert and feedback. Testing the validation of expert aims to ensure the screenplay technique applied in the manufacture of 3D animated films simulate in accordance with the existing screenplay making regulation. Meanwhile, the validation of the Foley effect technical expert aims to ensure the very element that is done has the right voice of implementation for the needs of the sound effect in making 3D animated film molecular. Testing the validation of the screenplay expert is carrying out to a validator who has work experience in the field of film, especially in writing a screenplay. Something tested from this screenplay is the writing of the atmosphere in scene, writing dialogue, from size used to write screenplay, space, written depiction of each scene, transition, and other formats from the screen. The validator will read the screenplay that has been created by Will and will comment on what to change for the work format. Foley effect validation testing is carried by a validator who has work experience in the field of film, especially in audio sound. Important points that need to be tested from this Foley effect technique are whether the record Foley sound is suitable and similar to the audio needed. This Foley effect test is done because if the recorded Foley is not suitable and similar to audio in the scenes, it will make a mismatch on the sound of the 3D animated film Simulec. Foley effect testing that has been done in this study was carried out once. Next, the conclusion. After testing and analysis in this study, it can be concluded that the writing of screenplay for 3D Simulec animated film is correct and in accordance with the rules in making a screenplay. The application of Foley effect sounds as a sound that helps increase realistic and natural impression in the film is in accordance with the talking of the voice with what is needed. Furthermore, 87% of the 30 respondents said that the animated film Simulec was in accordance with 3D animated film, and 90% of the 30 respondents also state that they had known the real folklore Simulec. Suggestion for the development in the future: Foley effect sounds taking needed can use a better and adequate tool so that it produce clear sound and better the. Okay guys, I have finished delivering the material from me. Thank you so much for your attendance. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.